They say time heals everything, but what if the time only made the pain louder? This is a story of an Indian guy born in a small village in Andhra Pradesh, raised in a humble farmer family where every meal came from sweat and soil. No luxuries and no shortcuts, just strong values and endless struggle. And a parent's dream that he would do something big one day. He had no money, no big connections, but he carried something far more powerful, a heart full of dreams. Dreams to rise above the struggle, dreams to not to survive but to serve, to become someone who could truly make the difference. But life does not always honor our dreams. Sometimes it breaks you before it builds you. In year 2013, I lost my life partner, the one I thought I would grow old with. Gone without one. Grief swallowed me. I gained 23 kgs. My body broke down and mind spiraled. In 2020, I began my health journey. I shred 23 kgs. But healing the body was just a start. You see, before that, I had done what many dreams of. From a small village with a no English, no tech exposure, I rose step by step to become a head of IT in Dubai. From nothing to everything on paper, but career built through hard work, long nights and relentless hustle. But behind the promotions and the salary, I was breaking inside. I was battling a chronic stress, mental burnout, emotional voids and relationship wounds and financial anxiety despite of earning well. I had achieved the success from outside, but I was losing myself from the inside. Then there came my business collapse and almost I was bankruptcy, and I also lost the job at the same time. And slowly I started focusing on one thing I thought I would never lose. That is myself. I fell into a darkness, depression, panic attacks, suicidal thoughts, nights where I beg not to wake up. And yet, in the silence, I always used to pray the God, please help me. One day, a quiet voice whispered, Arvind, get up. And that's where I began my healing. Not all at once, but breath by breath, tear by tear, step by step, I choose to face my pain, not to escape it. Through my coaches and through these amazing tools like Ho'oponopono, EFT, inner child healing, breathwork, energy alignment, and holistic wellness tools, I rebuilt myself from the inside out. I did not just come back, I rose. And I made a biggest decision of my life, and I quit my IT career and stepped into my soul's calling to become a full-time health and transformation coach, and I became an international certified healer. Over a period, I helped 30,000 plus people to heal from the physical pain, emotional traumas and relationship wounds, financial blocks and much more.
I joined HalfFit in the month of November, first week, and I am able to drop up to 4 kgs in the period of 5 weeks.
Before joining Arvind's program, I was struggling with my health and I was 81 kgs and I lost 10 kgs in 3 months.
I would say this program has entirely changed my life. When first I connected with Arvind sir, I was quite confused. What will I do? Will this program really help me? There was so many questions in my mind, but he said, Gurpreet, join this program, and I joined that program, and today I can say that yes, this program has changed my life in terms of health, wealth, relationship.
From anxiety to alignment, from breakdowns to breakthroughs, from self-doubt to a self-mastery. I became a TEDx speaker and also received a doctorate and wrote 2 books and received a 40 under 40 award.
Please welcome Dr. Arvind Padmarajan.
And just to prove where there are no limits. And I have done couple of marathons. The beauty is I have ran a marathon inside my house just to prove that what potential I hold. And during this period, I found a HalfFit. It is not just a business, but a movement built on based on habits and focusing on every single family should live that holistic health and holistic wellness and make home as a starting point where wellness begins. And where healing is not just a buzzword, it's your birthright. Today, I live a joyful life with my beloved wife and 2 beautiful kids, and I live in Dubai. We traveled 13 international countries as a family. I became an adventure explorer, someone who now lives a life in his own terms. But most importantly, I dedicated my life to serve, to heal and impact lives every single day. I'm not here to motivate you, I'm here to show you what's possible. Because if someone like a village boy who built a career from scratch and who lost the love, health, money and hope, but still choose to rise, can heal, can rebuild, can transform, so can you. Are you ready? Your healing journey begins the moment you stop pretending you're okay. So let's begin today your journey together.